Welcome to our channel. This is Facile Welding. Today we would like to introduce this plasma cutter model put for 60, which has many modes adjustable by knobs and buttons. Rotate the knob. The current can be adjusted from 20 amps to 60 amps. Press the first button on the left to follow the cursor to select the function. The post is to set the post flow, which is adjusted by the knob from 0 to 10 seconds. The PA is to set the background current, which is adjusted by a knob from 0 to 10 seconds. The gas is a gas detection that displays the value of the intake gas pressure. Press the second button on the left to switch between True T and 4T. Press the third button on the left to follow the cursor to select the function. Select it according to cutting needs, plate cutting or mesh cutting.